Hello, reading is to the mind as exercise is to the body. So all is required for your total well-being. This book, Almanack, A Guide to Wealth and Happiness. This is one of the best books you will ever read in 2024. I'll be sharing with you 10 lessons from this book, and at the end of the day, I will encourage you to get a copy of this book for yourself. We can give you a PDF version of it free of charge if only you indicate interest in the comment section. Quickly, lesson 1. Why money is used to transfer both time and wealth. Wealth is comprised of assets that generate income while one is sleeping. Where you stand in the social ladder is your status. For long-term financial freedom, concentrate on accumulating wealth. There's a difference between a rich man and a wealthy man. A rich man is working for money, meanwhile, money is working for the wealthy man. While you live your life, try as much as you can to accumulate wealth, things that will work for you and generate finances for you. That's how you build long-term financial freedom. Lesson number 2, acquire special abilities that are valued and uncommon. Acquire special abilities, special skills that are valuable and uncommon. Particular expertise is frequently artistic or technical and is difficult to teach. It's something you are enthusiastic and naturally skilled at. That's it. Lesson number 3. Sources of leverage include money, people, and goods that have no marginal cost of replication. To multiply your effort and accomplish more with less, learn how to apply leverages. Leverages is important. One of the most important and effective leverage is people. Lesson number 4. Collaborate with people you admire and trust. Building wealth requires long-time partnership and solid reputation. Over time, dedication and consistency pays off. Lesson number 5. Read extensively and in-depthly. Books are an excellent way to invest in your knowledge and personal development. They let you benefit from other people's knowledge and experience. We emphasize it on this platform. People's knowledge and experiences are documented in books, and it is your responsibility to access them by grabbing books to read. Lesson number 6. Happiness is predicated on both mental and physical well-being. To keep yourself well, maintain a healthy diet, engage in regular exercise, and learn mindfulness and meditation. Lesson number 7. Accept accountability for your deeds and results. Don't be irresponsible. Accountability improves decision making, fosters interpersonal trust, and boosts your opportunities and reputation. Be accountable for everything, even when it goes wrong. Still take responsibility and be properly accountable. Lesson number 8. Develop routines that support your long-term objectives. Develop routines that support your long-term objectives, not the short-term. Maintaining consistency and attention is made easier with self-discipline, which promotes long-term success and personal fulfillment. Lesson number 9 from this book. Contentment originates internally rather than from external accomplishments or assets. For everyday contentment, cultivate presence, acceptance, and thankfulness. Lesson number 10. Compounding has exponential consequences in relationships, knowledge, and finances. In order to optimize the long-term benefit of compounding, get started early and stay consistent. I don't know if you have been hearing one word in all of these lessons. Consistent, consistent, and consistent. Consistent also has to do with faithfulness, remaining at a particular place, learning and developing yourself intentionally. That is where consistency plays a very wonderful role. And when you are consistent, you must surely triumph. What more can I say? Get a copy of this book. These are just lessons I was able to pen down. You can gain more than I've gotten from this book. If you need a PDF version of this book, just indicate in the comment section and we'll send the book to you. Meanwhile, Make sure you are reading. God bless you and bye for now.